Windows is a widely used operating system in the world. And Windows runs on 86% of computers in the world with Windows 10 on 47 of them. That's impressive. To do justice to such a large user base, Microsoft keeps releasing new updates. However, not everyone is blessed with a stable connectivity and many users often complain about unsuccessful update attempts. That led me down the rabbit hole to discover many users wondering if it was possible to install those updates on Windows 10 PC in an offline mode. So I am addressing that today along with recommendations for a particular updates that you should install offline. Which Windows updates to install? For most part, your computer will continue to function as it is if even you don't install any updates. However, that doesn't really mean you shouldn't update it. It is recommended to install the updates because they contain a lot of patches that secures your system, your files and data against potential threats. Researchers and hackers are always looking for new security gaps and bugs that can be exploited. Then some features are added or upgraded to help you accomplish more. Finally, these updates can resolve multiple bugs, maybe hampering your PC's performance, preventing some apps or features to function correctly. Microsoft wants you to install these updates in Windows 10 whether you want them or not. Changing settings will only delay them but cannot stop them, especially for Windows Home users. That was done because lot of users were avoiding the updates in previous versions of Windows, which led to security issues and hacks on a broader scale. How to update Windows offline? Let's see how you can update Windows 10 without an active internet connection. Download updates locally, LAN. Not everyone has a super fast internet connection and lot of users are on a slow network. To do that, make sure that both computers are connected to the same network. From the settings window, use search feature to find out delivery optimization settings. That is where you will toggle allow downloads from PCs on and select PCs on my local network. Download in advance. Downloading an update is one thing and installing these updates is another. There are two different events and knowing the difference can help make a call. If you want to install updates on Windows 10 offline due to any reason, you can download these updates in advance. To do this, go to settings by pressing Windows plus I key on your keyboard and selecting updates and security. As you can see, I have downloaded some updates already, but they are not installed. Windows is asking me to restart or schedule a restart to install these updates. Pretty self-explanatory. Usually schedule the updates so that I don't end up wasting my working hours watching my PC installing the upgrades. When there are updates found, you will see an option to download them. Click on download button in the above screen to get the updates, and when you are connected to the internet, then you can install them later offline. To schedule the installation of updates or at a later point of time, click on schedule the restart and pick a time. It has to be done on the same day. Windows Update Catalog. Windows maintains a catalog of all updates that it has released for a particular OS. You can directly download an update from this catalog .exe file and install them offline without an internet connection on any PC. Visit the catalog homepage using the link below. Search for your OS version or update name if you know it. Click on the download button to save the file locally. Just double click on the downloaded file to install it. Simple.